Good afternoon. Welcome to our new session. Okay, last Saturday we conducted an online exam, right? Okay, it was nice. Okay, uh, let us start today's session. Before that, all of you must write the answer keys, that is, question and answers of the online examination to your notebook. Okay, those who didn't attend the examination also write the question and answers in your notebook. Okay, yes. We just started our third chapter, the infinite world within our grasp, right? Okay, today we are going to discuss about email and how can we create an email account, and what's the way for sending emails to persons. Okay, okay, simply what is email? Yes, we already just discussed about email. Email is the short form of electronic mail. Okay, email is the short form of electronic mail. Okay, it is the method of sending and receiving messages through internet using the electronic media, right? It is the method of sending and receiving messages through internet using the electronic media. Okay, in addition to messages, we can also send and receive pictures, audio files, video files, etc. Okay, yes. The examples of service providers of email facility is Gmail, Yahoo, Rediffmail, etc. There are these are the service providers of email. Okay, yeah. Messages sent through email from anywhere in the world is stored in the email address of the receiver. Okay, it will be stored in the email address of receiver. Okay, you can open the mail using a password and read the letters and other attached files from anywhere with the help of an internet connection. Just the help of an internet connection. Internet is must. Okay, for using email address, for email service. Okay, and the password is a key of an email address. We can say password is a key for entering email address. Entering to email address. Okay. Okay. Just say something about email account. Okay. If the email ID that you decide to create has already been used by someone else, you may not get it. Okay, if I created a account or email address named abc at gmail.com, that is already taken by another user. Okay, that I won't get it, so I have to make a change for that email address. Okay, if the email address is abc at gmail.com, then modify it as abc1 at gmail.com or abcd at gmail.com, like that. Okay, an email address has two parts. An email address has two parts. The name given by the user, that is username. Okay, the name of the service provider. If the email address is abcd at gmail.com, abcd is the name given by the user, that is username, and the gmail.com is the service provider part. Okay, the two names are separated by the symbol at the rate. Okay, the two names are separated by the symbol at the rate. In your textbook, for example, there's a section: if a person named Joy Chiran registers in Gmail with the ID Joy Chiran, his email address will be joychiran at gmail.com. And if he registers in yahoo.in, his address will be joychiran at yahoo.in. Okay. And one more thing, that is CAPTCHA. Okay. When internet services are used often, you are asked to type in a space CAPTCHA, that is shown in figure 3.2, named CAPTCHA. Okay, while providing your personal details to register for an email address. Okay, this is called completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. That is CAPTCHA. The full form of CAPTCHA is completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. CAPTCHA. It is a test to ensure that the user is a human being. Just a test to ensure that the user is a human being. Okay. Websites generally use CAPTCHA to protect the site from automated programs that are used to hack the website. Okay. It's a protection. Okay, CAPTCHA is a just a protection. Okay, then let's create a Google account. Here we are creating a Google account. Okay, Gmail account. Yes, the first step is we have to enter the site www.google.com. Okay, then click on the link sign in. Sign in. Okay, then you can see in this figure in your textbook in the red mark, create account. Just click on create account. Okay, then enter the first name and last name of yours. Okay, just type a username. If that is the username is already taken by someone, you won't get it, and just modify that username. Okay, then password is consist of use of 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbol. Okay, it must be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, minimum 8 characters for password. Then click on next button. Then type your phone number for verifying. Okay, then you will get a OTP from your mobile, and just type the OTP in a window. The account creation process can be completed by agreeing to the condition and privacy policies of service provider. Okay, that's a way for creating a Google account, Gmail account. Okay, all of you have Gmail account already. Okay, this is just a step for studying about how to create Gmail account. Okay, when you open your account, the inbox of Gmail appears first. In this, you will find the mails sent by Gmails welcoming you. You can click on it to open and read the message. Okay. Next is let's send an email. How can we send an email? Yes. Click on the compose button. Okay. Compose button in the Gmail window. Okay. And type the receiver's email address, subject, and the detailed content in the respective columns in the window that appears. Type the receiver's address and subject and the detailed content. Click on send button. You will receive a message that your email has been sent. Okay. Then there is a box when you enter the email address. Okay. Type the email address of the person or persons to whom you wish to send the email in the column labeled to. That is the receiver's address. Okay. If you have to enter more than one email address, if you have to enter more than one email address, use a comma to separate the address. If you sending email address to abc at gmail.com, abcd at gmail.com, def at gmail.com address. Okay, then you type abc at gmail.com, comma abcd at gmail.com, type comma def at gmail.com. Okay, more than one email address. Okay, if you want to send a copy of the email to another person, enter their email address in the CC column. CC means carbon copy. Okay, it's for if you want to send a copy of the email to another person. Okay, carbon copy. Type the CC column. Type the email address in CC column. If you want to send a copy of the email to another person without the knowledge of the email recipients, in the to and CC column, enter the person's email address in the BCC column. That is blind carbon copy. Okay, if you want to send a copy of the email to another person without the knowledge of the email recipients, in the to and CC column, enter the person's email address in the BCC column. BCC means blind carbon copy. Okay, and that just an activity. Let's send a copy of invitation. That is attaching files in emails. Okay, first you type the to address and type the subject, and you can attach the files, that's pictures, videos, etc. Okay, we can select the files to be sent and attach them following instructions that appear when clicking attach files tool in the new message window. You can see the attach files tool in this red mark. This is attach files tool, and click on this attach file tool and select the pictures or videos from the computer and just open it and click on send button. Okay, next is certain precautions of email. Okay, you know about password is the key to enter the email box. Hence, it is safer to create password that contains capital letters, small letters, numerals, and symbols. Okay, it is good to change your password at intervals to keep your email safe. And sign out of your mail account after you finish using it. After you finishing your work, you can sign out your mail account for security. Okay, if you receive mails, attachments, etc. from unknown or unfamiliar addresses, you should open or respond to it only after ensuring the credibility. Okay, that is very important. Okay, yes. Next is sending emails which include news, pictures, or videos that are false, obscene, cause defamation or to people, or is a threat to national security, is a punishable offense. Okay, that is very important. It's only a precautions uh, before creating email account. Okay, you must write the important points in this chapter. Okay, based on how can we create a Google account, what are the examples of service providers, email service providers, and what's the full form of captcha, and what is captcha, the two parts of an email address. Okay, then what's the full form of CC, carbon copy, and BCC, blind carbon copy, like that. Okay, okay, that's enough today's session. Okay, study well. uh, okay, goodbye.